Welcome to the exciting world of video editing. In this chapter, we will explore the transformative power of video in the year 2024. In 2024, video isn't just another form of content. It's king. It's the most influential medium, shaping how we communicate and share stories. From social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram to professional presentations and online courses, video reigns supreme. It's everywhere, and it's essential. Why? Because it's engaging, dynamic, and accessible. Video captures attention in ways that text and images simply can't. A well-crafted video can entertain, educate, and inspire your audience like no other medium. It has the power to evoke emotions and drive action. But here's the catch. Raw footage alone won't cut it. It needs to be refined and polished to truly shine. To truly harness the power of video, you need to master the art of video editing. This skill is crucial in transforming your vision into reality. This means transforming raw clips into polished, captivating stories that grab attention and leave a lasting impact. It's about creating a narrative that resonates. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bake a cake without mixing the ingredients, right? The same goes for video editing. Video editing is the mixing bowl where you blend visuals, audio, and effects to create something truly special. It's where the magic happens. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of video editing and unlock endless creative possibilities, buckle up. This journey is both challenging and rewarding. This journey will equip you with the knowledge and tools to bring your video visions to life. Let's get started and make some magic together. Every video editor needs a trusty set of tools to bring their creative visions to life. Thankfully, there's a wide range of video editing software available, from free options to professional-grade programs, catering to different needs and preferences. The key is to find one that suits your skill level, budget, and operating system, whether that's Windows or Mac. Each platform has its own set of compatible software. For beginners, free software like DaVinci Resolve or Apple iMovie are excellent starting points. They provide a solid foundation for learning the basics. They offer intuitive interfaces and all the essential tools you need to get started, making the learning curve less steep. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced options like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, which provide greater control and a wider range of features, allowing for more sophisticated edits. Don't get bogged down by the sheer number of options. It can be overwhelming, but it's important to stay focused on your needs. The best approach is to download a few free trials and experiment with them. This hands-on experience will help you make an informed decision. See which interface feels most intuitive and aligns with your workflow. The right software should enhance your creativity, not hinder it. Remember, the best editing software is the one you feel most comfortable using. Comfort and efficiency go hand in hand in the editing process. While software is crucial, don't underestimate the importance of having the right hardware. A powerful computer with a fast processor, ample RAM, and a dedicated graphics card will make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Investing in a good external hard drive is also essential for storing your video projects, as video files can be quite large. A high-quality monitor with accurate colors is crucial for making informed editing decisions and achieving the best results. Finally, don't forget about audio. A good pair of headphones will help you fine-tune your audio tracks and ensure your sound is crisp and clear. With your software and hardware in place, it's time to dive into the fundamentals of video editing. This journey will transform your raw footage into a polished final product. Start by learning how to import your footage, create a new project, and navigate the timeline. These are the building blocks of any editing project. Mastering basic cuts is essential. This skill allows you to remove unnecessary parts and keep your video concise and engaging. Learn how to trim unwanted footage, create seamless transitions between clips and adjust the pacing of your video. These techniques help maintain viewer interest. Experiment with different types of cuts, such as jump cuts, L cuts, and J cuts, to add variety and rhythm to your edits. Next, explore audio editing. Good audio can elevate your video to the next level. Adjust the volume levels of your clips to ensure a balanced mix. This ensures that dialogue, music, and sound effects are all clear and harmonious. Add music or sound effects to enhance the mood and atmosphere of your video. These elements can evoke emotions and set the tone. Don't be afraid to experiment with different audio elements to find what works best. Creativity in audio can make your video stand out.